Lawmate Clip Camera. While it's mostly used for surveillance purposes, no ordinary person would generally walk around the neighborhood with a clip-on camera. So if you're looking for a discreet way to capture quality videos, then go with the Lawmate Tie Clip. The Tie Clip hidden camera is designed to complement your existing wardrobe while functioning as a full-color covert hidden camera. This battery-powered gadget is able to capture 550 lines of resolution and can simply be plugged into a DVR for immediate playback. Number 8. Multi-Pick Chronos. Lockpicking